Think Center, i3, Windows 8 Professional pre-installed, Lenovo. Here's the back of it. So we've got 3 audio jacks, 4 USB here, Ethernet, VGA, serial, DisplayPort, and PS2 keyboard and mouse. Small form factor power supply and 2 screws holding the cover on. Inside, so what has to happen is this has to come up, but before we can do that we need to take this front cover off. Front cover having CD-ROM drive and a power button. And then this should just come straight up. We can pull the fan cover off with these little clips. Memory is here, one of 2 slots. DDR3, 4 gig. CPU fan and heatsink unscrew. The CPU fan header, and actually it looks like we can take that fan off. There's a couple of Phillips screws here. Couple bits of plastic. CPU. i3 4130. The power supply is a 14 pin. So 3 12 volts, a 5 and a minus 12. This power connector goes to the DVD drive and the solid state drive. We'll unplug that. We'll also unplug the CPU power. The system fan. The system fan is here. There's also a small speaker over in the corner here, and that is connected over here. Here we have an audio connector. USB connector. And this last one is a header. This is for the power buttons, etc. We have 2 SATA cables. One for the solid state drive and the other one for the CD-ROM drive. So you can see the red goes up to the solid state drive and the black one to the DVD drive. I'll just undo these cables. So this one here is a thermal header. Heads over to back there and over on front over here. That's the thermal sensor. I'm going to pull that sensor out, the thermal sensor. You see it's around the front here. I'm going to pull this front cover up all the way. So I've unplugged the header so this can come out. That can go. Now I can see it better. You can see it's really, I don't know why you would call this a sensor. It's a thermistor. This is the data sheet for the temperature sensor. It's just a NPN transistor. The USB and audio front connector. Now to remove the DVD drive. Camera's in the way. Just unconnect the cables. And push. Solid state drive. In this case we have a Samsung. Evo 120 gig. This might not be the original drive that came with the system. I dare say it's not. Now for the main board. And that just leaves the power supply. Just 3 screws. Camera in the way again. Remove the power supply. Push down. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.